Hey YouTube, Sergio here, and yesterday I made a video talking about the Alcubierre drive, which is a way to travel way quicker than the speed of light, like a hyperdrive in Star Wars, without actually moving at all. Pretty practical if it were to actually be created, but right now we are very far from ever doing that, and we might never be able to make it before we nuke ourselves back to the Stone Age. But anyway, today I'll be talking about something that can already travel not at the speed of light like photons, but something that can travel far quicker than the speed of light, and it exists. It's very easy to create. It's a shadow. Shadows can actually travel quite a lot quicker than the speed of light, and I can prove it with the thought experiment. Let's say you have a light that's spewing out an incredibly high amount of light, very powerful light, and a light year away from it you have a wall. This wall is a light year wide itself, and there are 2 points on the wall, and the light you're holding in front of it, a piece of black paper. This black paper is covering the light, so it's blocking, it's casting a shadow a light year away. And you move this object after 0.1 seconds by 1 centimeter to the right on the light, and this is right over the light, so it's basically the same distance away from the wall as the light is from the wall. Now, at the wall, nothing's going to happen for a light year, because that's how long it takes for information to get across that the cover has been moved. But once it gets there, the light is going to be a lot farther away, because atoms, or photons, sorry, that were a few centimeters away on the surface of the light at the start of their journey have now been spread out over a light year by this. So, although it will actually move this in the same amount of time, so let's say 0.1 seconds it takes you to move this piece of paper, the distance is going to be a lot far greater than 1 centimeter. It could be a whole light year, though, and even though it's still taking 0.1 seconds, so you just travel a light year in 0.1 seconds. But don't worry, you haven't violated anything because you're a shadow and you can't think, because shadows aren't actually real things, of course. Shadows are just the absences of real things. This shadow here is just an absence of photons, so less information able to reach your eyes and understand it. So photons are real things, you are a real thing, shadows aren't, and so they are able to cheat the system and travel faster than the speed of light. But, excluding Alcubierre drives or potentially some other methods, we don't really have a way to do that ourselves.